Hello friends, welcome back for the pro tip. If you are making a question for math or for physics and you want to give the power, so don't give the power like this. This is wrong, this is not right. Give the proper power. How? Just write X or any alphabet you want to write and go to the home tab and select subscript or superscript. I want superscript. Click on this and now press enter X. Now 2, I want this superscript, select this and press this button. So you see this will change into the superscript, means power, and same you will able to write X2 subscript, select the 2 and press this. You see this is subscript and this is superscript. This is how you easily give the power of X or of any alphabet properly. So if you like this tip, subscribe the channel for the pro tip and press the bell icon to get the notification for more tips. Thank you very much.